Hello dear students, good morning. I am Anandesh, TPC High School, Odolkere. I welcome to our English class. Today we are dealing with the ninth standard, second language, first lesson. The lesson title is the Enchanted Book. Previous class we learned some of the points about this lesson. So now we deal with the remaining part of the lesson of the Enchanted Book. Before going to the lessons, first we highlighted some of the important points or aspects of information about who was the author and what was why this lesson was adapted in the textbook. What was the main theme and what was the motto of the lesson? What was the according to the poet author? We are know shortly. So this lesson was composed by or written by C. Rajagopalachari. The full name is Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji. He was a very famous patriot, wise, astute politician, and then a good novelist. We already know that he composed many books. He wrote many books on the basis of Mahabharata and Veda Upanishads. So next we are understood. Yesterday was our great epics of the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Veda Upanishads. So they are deals with a good moral values. So, in favor of these epics, especially our author tells us he displays the imitable flair for the telling stories and applying the moral principles to the modern times. Look at here, my dear students. So, there is an enchanted. What we say he composed the many books on the basis of the Ramayana and Mahabharata. He says the moral, he stressed the moral values and then human values we followed in our life. So we leading our life with happily. Otherwise we are facing the many problems also. So hence our author wrote many books on the basis of our great epics. So our ancestors gave the contribution to our Indian epics also. So here we are confirmed in the lesson of the Enchanted Book. What is the meaning of the pool and enchanted? Here I draw a pool. Pool means a place where the water still filling, a small water is filling in or still, that is called a pool. This enchanted means here enchanted means mantrika. Enchanter, enchantress, or enchanted means it is Maya Mata Mantrika Vadagada. So here I conclude the title of the pool is enchanted someone else or a magic spell. Mantrika Vadagada in Kannada. So this pool is enchanted or it is controlled by some of them a form not visible. It is the form is not visible, not to appear, not to in any form of human bodies. There is no less human bodies, no human bodies. So that pool was controlled by or magic by the someone else. We don't know any. It's an invisible. We say simply say it's an invisible hands to control that are created by this pool. So here, what our author says in this poem, in this lesson. So author, we know there are many personalities or characters in this lesson. there are Pandavas or the Kauravas. So especially, so are the first Dharma Pandava or Dharmaraya. Dharmaraya, we know, he is the elder of the Pandavas. He is the first person of the Pandavas. He is called by the Yudhishthira also, and he is also a Dharmaraya. Why? He was he reveals or he reveals his character through his lesson. What are the characters had then our Dharmaraya? He must ever follow the dharmas. He never say the lie. He followed the truth. He had kindness and then wisdom, and he was had to be very patient, tolerance, and excellent and intelligent, and he is love for his brothers. These are all qualities exposed in the lesson Enchanted Pool. So this lesson was extracted from the our Rajagopalachari's Mahabharata. So here, so there are we know that previous verses. So there is a conflict, there is a game between the Pandavas and then Kauravas. So they lost their games. Pandavas lost their guns against the Kauravas, or cousin brother of Suyodhana or Duryodhana. So they lost everything, especially property, throne, and then kingdom also. They are living in the forest. How many years they have lived? They have lived in that 12 years. So that is called an exile. Exile means Vanvasa. So the Pandavas lived in the forest. When they are lost in the game of death, so they are lost. They are written all properties in the game of death. Unfortunately, they are lost. So according to the rules, they are according to the game or the rules of games. So they are surrendered to the all property to the Suyodhana, Duryodhana, and lived in the 12 years. And 30th year for exile or distinguished year. That means no one can see the Pandavas or identify the Pandavas. One Ajnanavasa. So these are all the main stories we are seeing. So once they are living in the forest, they constantly move from the one place to another place constantly, because why they are move forward or move one place to another, wandering from one place to another. There are two reasons. One is for their safety, and to their second one is to meet their daily needs. Here, so they are wandering from one place to another place. The wonder is the two. It's a homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are the word which pronunciation is same, but the spelling and the meanings are the changes. Wonders of the word. So in the olden age, the people were wandering from one place to another place. So here you are observe the word in the lesson first paragraph, dear students. So after that, they are what happening? So where they are living in the forest, they are completed in 12th year. So one day they saw they are searching. As usually they are searching for the food. They are saw a beautiful deer, that is spotted bird. But this spotted deer is very tremendous, but it is not to see. It is not to appear in sometimes. It is invisible. So they are searching. That means they are trying to caught, or they are catching to them the deer. Searching of. That means pursuit means they are searching for the deer. But it's take to the all Pandavas into the deep into the forest, deciduous forest. They lived in the deciduous forest, heavy rain or the heavy plants or the heavy trees are there. In that area, they lived in 12 years. They led their lives in that area. So the Pandavas was pursuit of a deer. What happening? So they go behind the deer, but they didn't caught in the tree, and afterwards it is disappeared. So they become, they follow the nadi, they were become very tired. Who were they here? The five Pandavas. Who are five Pandavas? Yudhishthira, Dharmaraya, Dharmaraya, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. All were went to the fall from their leaving hut. So they came to the near of a huge tree. Here, look here. This is a tree. They are very tired, thirsty and drowsy or weary. So they are sank down under the tree. Who was sank down here? Yudhishthira sank down. Why they were sank down? They were sank down because they were weary and thirsty. The great thirst. The thirsty means to satisfy their drinking of the water. So drinking water. So they wanted to drink some water. But in the forest area there is no availability of the water resource. You can't see easily. So that's why there is a problem of why we are told in previous class why they are wandering. So they are wandering from, there is no availability of basic things in the forest. So they are always searching to their daily, to meet their daily needs. Hence they are become very struggle for leading their life, Pandavas. So that they have come to the under the tree. They sank down. Who sank down? Yudhishthira sank down. And that situation is very hot. So I think it's April or May onwards. They are, so it's the weather is very warm. So all the five brothers grew more and more weary and thirsty. Yudhishthira, especially Prathama Pandava, Dharmaraya, sank down under the tree. Why sank down? To rest, take a rest and to rest sometime. So after Yudhishthira called his younger brother. Younger brother here, so the Nakula was the younger brother. So he called Nakula, come here. Brother, tell me what happened. I want to satisfy my thirsty. So I wanted to some water. Please bring or please find out me any water source. What happened? Nakula never argued, never he obeyed his speeches. Here we are quoted some the moral ethics. So every younger respected elders here. So Nakula followed his brother's order and to try to fulfill their needs. So he suddenly here, what? There are five Pandavas here. Yudhishthira sank under the tree. So second one is Dharmaraya, Bhima, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. So they are take their rest. So suddenly the Yudhishthira called to Nakula, you see or find out the water. So suddenly the Nakula was lying to the tree, a huge tree, a tall tree, and see whether find out the water source. Here Nakula climbed the tree, looked around and see the water source in far away from their staying. So here this is a pool. This pool was enchanted by someone. It was created by someone or controlled by the magic spell. It was controlled by the magic spell. So that magic spell. So here when he saw far away from the water plants, here water plants like this is water plants and cranes. So the blue cranes means a long leg and a long neck bird. Here find out. So here, in the little distance, there was a water source. So he come down and from the tree and move towards the direction of where the water source. So when he going to, because the Yudhishthira said to the Nakula, his brother, to Nakula climbed up the tree and looked around and said, a little distance in a sea water, plants and trees, there must certainly be the water there. So he did like that and find out and went to the direction of the water plants and the where he find out the pool. So these are all previous class we have discussed about. So now let's move on to the second paragraph. First I read the lesson. You listen carefully and find out the difficult words. Yudhishthira sent him fetch some water to drink. Nakula was glad when he got to the place and saw that there was a pool. He was very thirsty himself and so thought of quenching his thirst first before taking water into the quiver for his brother. But no sooner did he dip his hand in the transparent water, he heard a voice which said, "Stop, Nakula, don't drink. This pool belongs to me. Oh, son of Madri, answer my questions and then drink the water." Nakula was surprised but carried away by his intensive thirst and heedless of warning. He knelt down and began to drink the water. At once he began to feel terribly drowsy and fell down to the appearance dead. So when Nakula did not return for a long time, Yudhishthira sent Sahadeva to see what the matter was happened. Sahadeva also ignored the warning. He drank the water and at once dropped down. When Sahadeva to fail to return, Yudhishthira sent Arjuna to whether the brother had meet with any danger. Arjuna went swiftly. He saw his brother laying dead near the pool, heart broken with grief. Grief means here sorrow. He wanted to avenge, underline the word. So avenge means taken revenge. There, that's those who caused for his brothers there. So he wanted to take revenge on that form. However, he too was overwhelmed. Here, the overwhelmed, the word is in the glossary. Overwhelmed, strong emotional effects that one feels and does not know how to react. The overwhelmed means a state where the persons react when the situation, how to react the situation, the person. So that is called an overwhelmed. The meaning, underline the words. By a monstrous trust. Here monstrous trust means a devil trust. Monstrous devils are evil's trust. We can't satisfy like that. Devil's trust. The poet, author using the trust, Bhayankaravada, Atishayavada, like that in Kannada. Atishayavada Bhayanka. So the trust means it's a wants to drink some water to satisfy. Otherwise, we can't satisfy that. So, compelled means here the word underline also. Compelled means the force him towards the factual food. Factual means there is also the word factual means Why using fracture means a dangerous. So which is dangerous here? The pool is very dangerous. So like that. Again the warning voice was heard. Answer my questions before you dig the water. This pool is mine. Here I stop drink Nakula or don't drink. Stop Nakula. So the son of Madri, don't drink. This is the heedless of warning. But there is no a form. There is no a body. There is no shape. There is no specific specific body here. If you disobey, disobey. This is the prefix words. Disobey me, you will follow your brother. So Arjuna became very angry. He cried, "Who are you? Come and stand up to me, and I will kill you." He showed sharp arrows in the direction of the Mars, the visible being, the invisible being. Here is also the word is prefix. Invisible being laughed and scorned and said, "Your arrows can't touch me." Arjuna wanted to destroy this unseen foe. Foe means here the enemy, the opposite foe. But first he had quenched his terrible thirst. Quench means to drink some water to satisfy his wants. Quench. So he drank the water and also fell down there. So this is the fourth paragraph. I start to here. I explain the second paragraph to see. When he sat down, the Nakula was climbed the tree and looked to find out the water plants and the grains. He guessed then there is a water is there. So he fell down and went into the direction, moved to the direction. So what happened? Nakula sent water, glad to saw the pool. There was a thirsty himself. He was also a worried. He was also a great thirsty. So he obeys brother's order and thought that to quench him. First, he identified the water to satisfy his the great monster thirst. So why the author is using the thirst, the monster thirst. First, before drinking the water, he would have fallen his brother. So in the forest there is no vessels or there is no vessels or materials to carry the water. So they put their a quiver. What do you mean by quiver here? So the quiver is a box put in all the arrows, battaliki. So the Nakula is taking the quiver to bring the water. So he moved forward in the direction of when he saw the climb up the trees. Water he heard. When he come to the near or sooner near to the pool, so he didn't know. He didn't know that this pool was created by or it is controlled by any invisible or any person. But what he is come to the near the pool, what he feel? He feel very happy. Oh, first I wash my face and drink. Put his hands dip into the water because he saw the water was very pure. We already know that there is a principle of water, ever free and ever pure. So it always pure. So in the forest, so there is no pollution of water. There is no pollution, water pollution. So the water was very clear and very pure. So first he was very happy to first he faced his hands and he tried to wash his hands and face what he do to see. So the water was very transparent, so he went into the water to dip his hands. What happened? Oh, there was he heard a voice which said, "Stop, Nakula, don't drink." Suddenly, he was surprised. The voice was he heard. What was the voice? Don't drink, Nakula. The water. Don't drink the water. Stop, Nakula. So, here, the word is heard by Nakula. What was the reaction of Nakula? This pool belongs to me, and the invisible form, the invisible body, the shaping of the body is ordered or don't drink. This pool was me. This pool was belongs to me, O son of Mahadev. And he is also saying his mother's name also. But suddenly the Nakula was surprised. But he had a great monstrous trust. So he is sacrificed his trust first. After that he answered what the universal form say. What was the action of the when he heard the voice? Let's see. Nakula was surprised but carried away by his intense trust and heedless of warning. Heedless means continuously. So don't. He warned not only one time, but he warned 1, 2 or 3. But heedless of warning given by the form, the invisible form, but he ignored, he neglected because he had intensity. As he suddenly satisfied his trust, but after then he think on God, then what happened? So he tried to drink the water, but the invisible form gave them a heedless of warning, but he neglected, ignored. But let's see in the paragraph what happened. He knelt down, began to drink the water. First he satisfied him, so he knelt down like Manakala, knelt down the water. At once he began to feel terrible grassy. Terrible grassy, Bhayankara, terrible, horrible. So grassy means here the word in glossary. Glossy means sleepy. Suddenly what happened? He dipped into the water, in the hand, hands in the water. Suddenly he was shocked. So there is a great attraction. There is a great light or focus flashing on his body. Suddenly he was puzzled and afraid. So he was suddenly unconscious. Here I draw the picture of what happened. They are 5 Pandavas in here. They are sleepy, unconscious. One Nakula, Sahadeva, Bhima, Arjuna, Bhima, and finally here the picture shows the wisdom of the intelligence of the Yudhishthira. Finally he won So this is the situation is happened in the Mahabharata story. So this is a very small story written by our Sri Rajagopalachari. So appearance, he knelt down and he was unconsciously laying on the ground. What happened? But appearance of death, not actually. He was not died. He was appearance unconsciously. He was died. Unconsciously died. So this is the incident happened when Nakula went to bring the water, order to his brother Yudhishthira. So thus this way. So very unexpectedly. So that's next. What happening? So they are all the remaining four partners are waiting for that. Why he didn't come or return? What happening? It may be a very danger, or he is in fall in the any problem. So what we do? They are waiting for returning to the Nakula, but so in the forest there is no information. So because in the forest there is an upside down, then what happening we can't guessing. So that what it is still take the next step. When Nakula returned to the mountain, so they are waiting for 2 hours. Didn't return to the Nakula. They are surprised also. They fear, oh, something is happened, something is a danger. He was in the danger. So because the forest is a habitation of the wild animals. Someone wild animals attack on him. So these are all thought comes in the Yudhishthira. So he ordered calling his second younger brother Sahadeva, come here. So what he sent the message. Yudhishthira sent Sahadeva to see what the matter was. Sahadeva was also ignored the matter, ignored the warning. So Sahadeva is also obeyed his brother's ordering, and he went into the direction of the way when Nakula was to go to bring the waters. So that's why Nakula is also comes on the direction and near the pool. He was also surprised because this pool was very beautiful. Here there are how the pool is created. There is a huge trees are on the sides of the ponds or pools. There are fishes, water plants, and then like some of the birds and cranes. So he saw the pure water. So he was very satisfied. But he was also surprised because so when he saw the pool, suddenly he satisfied his thirst first. He is also doing when Nakula was did. Suddenly, so another voice he was heard. That voice was, stop, Sahadeva, don't drink the water. So this is the question he is asking. So this type of the questions is asking comes in the extra question. So who said this? Who ordered? Who was ordering here? What? So what was the order? To whom was this order? So there are several questions arises in the sentence. So Sahadeva stopped to when he went into the deep hands into the water. He suddenly heard the great voice, but he see and observe here like that, but no one can appear. But suddenly, but voice was heard with echoes. Don't Sahadeva, don't Sahadeva. Yes, he was fear, puzzled. But these are given by a healing based of warning. Warning, don't drink. You listen my voice. You answer my questions. After then you drink. That is the condition. So, but he was also neglected. Who was neglected here also? So Sahadeva also neglected. What he neglected? Heedless of warning. What was the order? The order was, so this pool was mine. Don't drink water. Stop, Sahadeva. So, but Sahadeva was denied. And he drank the water at once dropped down. Dropped down means he is also fell down or terrible and fell down. Dropped down means he fell down and he was also laying on the ground. Appearance dead. So not actually. So he is also fell down or laying on the ground. So this incident, second incident happened. What happened? Let us see. So when Sahadeva didn't return to bring the water, so they are waiting or watching 2 or 3 hours. So they guess, there is might be a danger in the forest. So these 2 brothers were not returned. So what happened? The Yudhishthira guess here student, you guess. So he had a foresightedness. Who had a foresightedness? Yudhishthira had foresightedness. So he guessed something is happened. Our brothers are in a danger situation. Let me see. He also called the Arjuna, the Madhyama Pandava, Rohanane or Bharata. Here so many names of Arjuna. So he called to Arjuna, Arjuna, go and see what happening in the bad happening in, might be a danger in our brothers to see. Suddenly your Arjuna is also obeying the orders of Yudhishthira. What did he do? What did he do? Let me see. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna, see whether the brothers had met with any danger. Here, danger, opposite word, safe. Arjuna went swiftly. So, you know the personality of the Arjuna. The Arjuna is a very wiser in archery, and he was very brilliant. He was very famous shooter where the sound is like he was had a different or learned a very extraordinary skill like a Shabdavedi. So that he was put an arrows, bows and arrows, and went in that direction towards where their younger brothers are followed. So he also followed that direction and went. So we know Arjuna was a very powerful, very strong, and he was very good in archery. So but what the author say in the story? The story is telling. So these younger brother Arjuna, younger brothers, they have lack of patience. They have to be in egoism. We are supreme. We have the strength. We have the archery. No one can. So this is their. These are the non-desirable qualities. Damage their personalities or characters. Yeah. So hence. Finally, Yudhishthira had wisdom, patience and kindness. He finally won the religion. Dear students, hence, so what Arjuna did, let us see. He went swiftly. Swift is a car. The swiftly means very fast. Swift means very fast. Swiftly means very fast. Swiftly, very fastly. So how Arjuna went towards her? Arjuna went towards to bring some water very swiftly because he guessed our brothers are in very dangers. Our brothers were all in danger, so he went into the swiftly, putting an bows and arrows, and he was very confident because he was an good in archery. So how he was. He saw his brothers laying dead and near the pool. He come to the in front of the pool and he saw one side his brother was laying, another side Sahadeva was also laying. So, but he was not to guess. He was afraid. He was puzzled. He was also a fear. But look at he saw his brother laying there. Pool, her heart broken with grief. Here, underline the word, heart broken. When he saw his brothers laying on the ground, appearance like dead, suddenly his heart was broken. So here the poet, the author is using comparison between how the feeling was Arjuna heart was broken with grief. Grief means all ತಾಳಲಾರದ ದುಃಖ ಅಂತ ಹೃದಯ ಛಿದ್ರವ. When he saw the appearance of his brother, suddenly the Arjuna's heart was broken with sorrows. ತಾಳಲಾರದ ದುಃಖ ಹೃದಯ ಛಿದ್ರವಾಯಿತು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರದ ಪದವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He wanted to avenge. Here avenge underline the word. Avenge, a person who take revenge against those who are made for his brothers are damaged or to unconscious. So he take the away. Arjuna take away. What was the revenge he taken? He wanted to take revenge. So however to overwhelmed by overwhelmed means so a status where a person sometimes we are in a dangerous situation, we didn't want to react in correctly. So when an accident happened, when a tiger in front of me, what we do? So suddenly we not react. So we are stunned or still. So like that. So overwhelmed suddenly when Arjuna saw the appearance of the two brothers, he was very overwhelmed. He didn't react any suddenly or fastly. So like that, avenge. He wanted to take avenge those who killed my brother. Come with me. He ordered, come in front of me. I will kill you by the monster trust. But he had also a great trust, monster trust, evil trust, a devil trust. A trust means ತಾಳಲಾದ ಬಯಕೆ, ಹತಾಶವಾದ ಬಯಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So and compared, so this trust which Arjuna compared to force into the toward to the fatal pool, the dangerous pool. So he didn't guess this pool was not a common pool. This is the danger. So he didn't guess this pool was controlled by someone or whatever something or the form or a invisible hand. So but he casually went into the and dipped into his hand into the water, into the pool. So but he was worried about his brothers. His heart was broken and overwhelmed. But the pool was very dangerous. So now I will stop here. Thank you, my dear student. Listen, tomorrow I will continue the remaining part of this lesson. Thank you, my dear student.